Hurricane Melissa could cause catastrophic flooding in the northern Caribbean, including Haiti and Jamaica. NBC News correspondent George Solis is in Jamaica and has more details.
As expected, Hurricane Melissa, now a strong Category 4 hurricane. It is expected to intensify potentially into a Category 5 right before making landfall here in Jamaica. Right now, as you may see, conditions still calm, but we're starting to see those first waves of rain and some of that wind start to pick up. That is only expected to ramp up and intensify. You can see some buildings here already starting to reinforce doors and windows here in the event of flooding. There's some sandbags here, some plywood. This continues along this building here. You can see more sandbags that have been placed